This is an Auris latch, simplest form of flip-flop powered by Arduino. This has mainly two inputs R and S and an output Q. It is basically used for storing bits, like you could store 0 or you could store 1. So this circuit does that. So here's what it does. There's R input and S input, and in a circuit which is this one is R and this one is S, and there is an output Q, and our output is this LED which will indicate our stored bit. And yeah, it basically works on two conditions, when R is 0 and S is on, and R is on and S is 0. And 0 0 it will be no change, but the another two cases, this one and this one, it will store 1, namely high input, and this will store a low input. So let's see it in action. We'll power the circuit. So we can see it's already in set mode. Set means S is 1. So we'll just reset it. So our both of our inputs are 0. So this is in this condition now, 0 0. So we'll take it in this condition. R is on and S is 0. So this one is R and this one is S. So I will just I'll just push the button and this will go to 0. So you'll see how it's done. So I will push this button, so it stores 0. Now the funny part is that even if the button is reset, it will still hold this input, and this Q will still be 0, like this value. So I will reset the button, so it's still 0. Now you'll see in this condition when R is 0 and S is 1. So again, this one is R and this one is S. So I will push this button and Q will be 1, just like this. So now it's in this condition, so it will be no change. So I will push this button and you'll see the LED will lit on. So the LED is on, there's Q, and even if I reset the push button, the value will be the same, just like this one. So these values is stored. So that's how a little bit of memory works. Like it has stored 1 bit when it is on, and it will store 0 bit when S is 0 and R is 1, essentially. But there is a catch. We can't set both bits at the same time. Let's see if we do. Here R is on, and if I set S is on also, so yeah, we get a little bit of something, but I don't know what. So it's really unpredictable. So yeah, so this condition should be avoided as much as possible. I mean, it actually depends how you have made your circuit, and your circuit will have a race condition, and that should be avoided. And so yeah, that's basically how an RF latch works. I'll show you the schematic of what this connection actually is. So let's see the schematics. So this is the circuit that I built. It's from the Digital Computer Electronics by Albert Paul Malvino's book, 3rd edition, 2nd edition, I guess. So this is the circuit that I built just now.